Hello friends, are you a mechanical engineer and your marks are decent? You did everything right? Then why our company is still rejecting you? It's not about your degree, it's the skill gap. In this video, we are discussing real industry checklist, the exact skill company expect from a mechanical engineers today. Section 1, Design in CAD roles. So if you want a design in CAD role, just knowing SolidWorks or any other CAD software is not enough. You must understand engine drawing, GD&T application, tolerance slackup, BOM creation, and design for manufacturing. Section 2, CAE, FEA, CFD roles. You must know boundary condition, meshing strategy, material models, and how to interpret result. Section 3, Manufacturing and quality roles. In manufacturing and quality roles, industry only respect one thing, that is shop floor knowledge. So you must know the CNC basics, process planning, inspection rules, GD&T interpretation, SPC and ISO standards that will be related to your work. So maintenance engineers need fault diagnosis, hydraulics, pneumatic and CMM knowledge. Section 5, Robotics and Industry 4.0. If you want a long-term growth, choose robotics, PLC, sensor, Python, IoT, digital twins. Industry has already moved forward. Now it's your move. So pick one role, follow the right checklist, stop learning the random things. And if you truly love mechanical engineering, upgrade your skills. I will attaching PDF in details of this checklist in the description. Subscribe Gauge Hub for more such videos. Thank you.